We would all be agreeing to the fact that as pandemic changed our lives in unappreciated ways, one thing we miss is watching movies like we used to and going to the cinema. We all love cinema, don't we? Those beautiful moving pictures taking us to the story. We look for Dolby Atmos, IMAX, and whatnot for that extra experience from movies. What more to the experience can we add? How would you feel if you were watching Desperado in a bar and Antonio Banderas walks into the bar dramatically and starts singing that beautiful song? How do you feel to get transported to a spaceship and 2001 A Space Odyssey starts as your spaceship launches? That is the dimension of experience we provide at Backyard Cinema. We have quite a lot of loyal guests who love the dimension of experience we provide. Sidra, my wife, is one such guest. However, she was not happy with the idea that all shows at Backyard Cinema are equally priced. She thought that shows that were less popular and less crowded could be priced a bit lower so that movie buffs like her could save some money. At Backyard Cinema, we also had seen some shows selling out quickly. These shows could have been priced a bit higher if we knew it on the day of the ticket sale or earlier. Sidra wasn't happy that a movie like The Ridiculous Six, for example, is priced similar to The Godfather. And at Backyard Cinema, we felt the need for a movie as popular as The Godfather to be priced a tad higher as we priced down movies like Ridiculous Six. Also, it does not please the customer if we place matinee and the evening show in the same price band. I am Labeeb Ibrahim, and I'm here to talk to you about what I've been working on at Backyard Cinema for the past 6 weeks to action on the concerns of people like Sidra. I decided to handle this problem using machine learning, as ML can help us learn patterns between different shows in history and hint us about the behavior of a future show. And this required a detailed look at the data. The data included the number of tickets sold in different price bands, the day of the show, the time of the show, and the number of tickets sold on each day until the show date. I performed some feature engineering tasks on the data to come up with partitions that looked like this. There were five of them, and they made a lot of sense, as these partitions spoke how quickly the show reached 85% occupancy, which is a break-even occupancy at Backyard Cinema. After having tried a bunch of techniques, I built a classifier that would best suit the case. Comparing multiple classifiers for their F1 scores and Matthews correlation coefficient, I found that a boosting algorithm called CatBoost performed the best as the data had categorical features, and CatBoost handles such features more efficiently. This classifier can categorize a show into one of the five categories of success and sale based on features collected. The classifier had to be put into use. So I deployed a prototype of an application with this classifier in the backend so that our team at Backyard Cinema can use it right away. This application can accept different combinations of pricing and project a possible region of reaching 85% occupancy for the show based on the prediction for the classifier. This can help our team at Backyard Cinema to focus on marketing those underperforming shows and try a lower pricing model to see if it really increases the occupancy. Talking about the impact, Backyard Cinema can increase revenue by increasing occupancy for those shows that are predicted to underperform, as low pricing can attract more customers. Also, by wisely pricing those shows that are predicted to fill up very quickly, more revenue can be generated from such shows. This can also make people like Sidra happy and excited, as she hasn't got to pay more for shows that aren't very popular and thus manage her movie budget more efficiently. Thank you all for listening.